Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for clicking on this video. Well, as you can see from the thumbnail, I will be making some stuffed peppers, and not the usual type, you know, the cream cheese with the cheddar cheese, you know what I'm talking about. But this time I try to make something different. So if you clicked on this video, it's because you thought it was interesting, so stay tuned. Well, I don't know if you can tell by the lighting, but it is not a very nice day. It's actually already 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but the California fires have been taken over, which is weird to me. That all Labor Day weekend was super hot, and today I'm wearing a fucking sweater. Well, as you can see, I'm using the California Anaheim peppers and the jalapenos, which are typically used for, you know, the stuffing of the peppers, you know, the jalapenos, the poppers, the stuffed jalapenos, whatever you want to call it. At the end of the day, they'll be stuffed. Doesn't matter with what, but they'll be stuffed. Well, now you can see what they'll be stuffed with some mac and cheese. Let's get started with this mac and cheese. So while that's boiling up and cooking up, I'm gonna chop up some onion, some green onion, some red onion, some purple onion, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, you can use any color onion. Honestly, it's onion, so it just depends on your preference. So we're gonna get these charred a little bit, get them to soften up, cook a little bit, and you can either peel them, cook them all the way, and make it easier for them to be peeled, or you can just eat them like that, however you like. Honestly, the coating, the top part, the peel, I don't know, what is it called? The skin, there you go. Oh my god, I'm like all over the place today. The skin, I mean, it's not gonna hurt you to eat it, so I mean, it just depends texture wise, right? So anyway, we already got these prepped and done. De-seeding, deveining, I don't know what it's called. You know what I'm talking about. And yeah, let's get started with the mac. So I'm making the mac and cheese to what I think and how I think it's made. I'm pretty sure like it has cheese in it, right? So I'm not really a type of person to like go and look up recipes unless I'm really not positive like on how exactly to make things. But I've been cooking for so many years now that I kind of got it down. So this is actually the first time I make mac and cheese like this from scratch. I guess, quote unquote, from scratch. But yeah, as you can see, I used sharp cheddar cheese, which is a bit of a bitter cheese. If you don't like the bitterness, then maybe you can go with the Mexican style. Or honestly, I think you can use any type of cheese. And I used I thought I grabbed mozzarella at the store, but I ended up getting Monterey Jack, and it worked just fine. Also, it did dry up a little bit, but if you want it like to be super creamy, then I suggest you just add more, either more broth or more milk. I'm not sure about the heavy cream. I did add some heavy cream, but I'm not sure if that one might just thicken it up a little bit more. So I didn't try it. I mean, you gotta try it, you know. You live and you learn. You gotta just try everything, however you want to texture, right? So I added some heavy cream. Why did I add some heavy cream? I think I just wanted to make it creamier. I don't know. I just thought it went in there. So I mean, it worked fine though. I'm not a professional chef, so I can't really call myself a chef, but I used to call myself a chef. But anyway, I just add things that I feel like might go with the dish. But anyway, just, you know, the black pepper, the ground pepper to flavor the onions, the deliciousness of the onions. So I know this turkey might look weird. Oh, by the way, it's turkey, ground turkey. It looks a little weird. That's because it's extra lean. I'm not a person that likes that excessive fat in the meat. I don't like that. It kind of grosses me out. But I mean, no offense to anybody that does like it. I personally don't like it. It just grosses me out. But anyway, yeah, again, more flavor. We add that paprika. Excuse my pronunciation on certain words. I have some kind of speech issues here. But anyway, so yeah, it was so lean that it was kind of hard to like break apart. So I had to kind of smash it a little bit. And yeah, anyway, so enough about that turkey. Which, if you don't like turkey, you can use ground beef. You can use ground chicken, whatever the heck you want to use. I just decided to use ground turkey because, you know, I'm trying to drop some pounds. You know what I mean? Trying to lose some weight. And yeah, so I had no idea that these peppers were gonna be super spicy. They're usually not. But it's just kind of a hit or miss with these peppers. Sometimes they're super sweet, or not even sweet. They just don't have any flavor, like a spiciness to them. But I'll just let you guys check that out at the end when I do the taste test. And again, I know everybody's probably like, why do you use your hands? Well, I'm gonna eat it, so it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna sell these. This is not for the public. So let me just use my bare hands, okay? It's fine. My hands are clean, okay? And plus, they're gonna get super good. Yeah, I just wrapped them up in foil for a little bit, for like about 5 minutes, closed the lid. And yeah, I just let them there, chill there for a while. I brought them back out just to see what the results were, because I didn't want the pepper to be a little bit more cooked or finished cooking. And yeah, so for the leftover mac and cheese, because I did make a little bit more than I needed, I left the leftovers. I just all put them in a foil, wrapped them up, and I added the turkey. I actually didn't stuff the jalapenos because it was just too much. I think I only stuffed like one or two, I think. And the rest, I just sliced them up. And yeah, I just added the onion again. You're probably like, oh my god, so much onion and an onion. But it didn't taste bad, you know, it's just flavor. I mean, you don't even have to eat it, so it's just all flavor. And yeah, so as you can see, they're just resting or chilling. Not chilling because it's hot, but you know what I mean. It's just there. They're there, like, still on heat. And I feel like I'm talking too much already, but yeah, I let them chill there for a little bit. And then I took them off the foil because I want them to get a little bit more of a char. So that's just my preference. Again, you can even boil these. So yeah. Whoa, this day is just weird. The sky looks insane. I'm lightweight scared. I'm very scared, actually. I think my dog's a little scared too. Yeah, he's like looking around like something going on, you know what I mean? Anyway. Okay. Thought I just saw something inside the kitchen. It's dark in there. Oi. Oi, 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 oi. Okay, anyway, let's just get to the taste test. I'm just talking too much. Shit, if anything, I look scary. Fuck. Alrighty. Let me get my chile. Come on. You know what? I dropped this camera not too long ago, and now it's like taking forever to focus. Okay. I'm gonna recommend you guys something. I'm gonna recommend y'all something. Wear gloves while working with chile, cause boy, this is gonna get penetrated in your hands. And you know, I'm that dumbass that forgets and I rub my eye or rub my nose or, you know, do some dumbass shit. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh fuck. It's good, but it's so spicy. Usually these chiles aren't spicy, but sometimes They're very spicy. It's not even a jalapeno. I don't know if you can tell my eyes are a little watery. I'm trying to hold it in. Damn, I think that's spicier than a serrano. Alright guys, thanks for staying all the way through this video. I very much appreciate it. But close down the shop, you know what I mean? Not even the shop, it's just the backyard. Anyway, I'm just gonna get to closing this. Sorry about the mess in the back, but I'm closing this video out right now, and I thank you very much for subscribing if you have, and give this video a like if you like the video. Yeah, you know the rest, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.